Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Craft Life. Sorry about how many hellos you got. I wasn't sure if I was recording. I bought some Julie Nutting in the house. Woo! From Els, from BMO's Craft Corner, who came across some in one of her ventures. She knows I love them, so she let me see them. And I bought 90% she had. I didn't have them. So let's check it out. I can't wait to play, guys. So we have this one. I'm trying to figure out what the heck that is, so I'm going to have to look this up. Right, look at her. Love her. I wonder if you could... I don't know what that is. I'll have to check that out. Look at... Whoever owned them, never used them. Crazy. They will be used by me. Okay. Continue on, Tina. We have this girl. Again, never used. Crazy. Crazy. We have this little girl. Again, never used. Why do people buy stuff and not use it? I'm telling you. Not this chick. We have that one. And we got a little one. And this is actually a Christmas little one. Naughty or nice. Merry Christmas. I don't have them either. Got the mistletoe, the bell, the little girl, the little Julie Nutting. Ooh, can't wait. I'm getting excited here. We have this one. And I'm not done yet. We have the little girl with the little play doll, the little dolly. She's so cute. Riley. That's Riley. Yeah, let me see. Ooh, yeah, we got this one too. Happy Mother's Day. And you got little hearts, a potted plant, love stamp, and a little doll. I'll hold these up. And let's see. And that's it. This is the last one. Yep. Okay. Make sure. And this one is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. You got little hearts, heart on wigs, be mine, the little doll, Valentine's girl. That's what that one looks like. And there's that one, Mother's Day, so you can see it a little closer up. And then we have the little girl. And then we have the Merry Christmas one. Oh, yeah. I don't have any of this size, so this was pretty cool. And then, of course, we have this one again. And I'll look up their names and I'll put them on their names. And that one. And this one. And this one. And this one. I cannot believe. I mean, okay, I get maybe one or two. But look at all of them. So whoever owned these, what the hell's wrong with that person? I mean, they're all clean. Unless they got some good-ass stamp cleaner. If you do, man, be my, see if you can find who it is in Las Vegas and get the recipe for that stamp cleaner. Because I tell you, these are perfectly clean. So thank Elle. I have to thank Bima for giving me the opportunity when she knew. Because I mentioned, I said, if you ever go on your adventures and you see any Julie Nutting, you grab those puppies for me. And she's like, okay. And lo and behold, she found a bunch for me. And if she finds them again, she'll give me the first opportunity because I asked her to. She came across a good deal on Delusions and Julie Nutting, things that I like. The Julie Nutting and the Delusion, she'll let me know. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye!